you feel better? Bring mommy the train. I want train, please. I want train, please. Oh. You go get it and bring it home. And then we can put it on the track. And
you want me to show you that book?
Story Town book?
No.
Or stickers. Should I tell you a story about stickers?
Yeah.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Football, and he loved walking. How do you walk? Show him how to walk. 1, 2. Yeah, so Football loved to walk everywhere. 3. Show him how to walk. Show him how to walk. No Football? Well, come tell the Football how you like walking. Come tell him. Anyway, so his friend Soccer Ball also loved walking. He actually loved running. So he went with his friend Football for a walk and a run. Yay! Should I tell you more stories? You don't like my stories? No. Water? Max, do you have a bubble? Because you're acting like you might have a bubble. I'll be right back. Oh, for desperate measures. The bubble machine. It's the venting. That's what we call it. A bubble machine! Like literally. Oh, you can. Bye bye bubbles. How do you say bye bye bubbles? But you had like 1 million bubbles. You must feel so good now. That's why you're crying.
Nothing. Nothing in my story or book.
Okay, all done. You better? You feel all better now? Okay, good. Oh, that was one large bubble. All done. Finish. Say finish. Finish. Good. All. You literally were like a balloon. Full of air. Birdie? Birdie. And on the picture? So walk to that big birdie. Walk to it. Birdie. Huge. Stupid before I had to get the syringe in the end of it. It was like.
Wow.
All better. All better. There's a birdie on the wall.
Communicate stuff better.
He's just like hysterical. I don't know. There's nothing else to read. Not very Whoops, that was all on video.